Imagine a time when the financial markets ran on paper, ink, and manual processes. This was the era of traditional confirmation methods. In the early days, confirmations were done through manual paperwork. Traders and back office staff would print, sign, and fax documents, hoping that nothing got lost in the shuffle. Telephone confirmations were common too. Traders would call each other to confirm trades. But without written proof, the risk of miscommunication was high. And then there were the couriers. Important documents were sent across the globe via DHL or FedEx, causing delays and increasing costs. But as the world moved forward, so did the financial markets. The arrival of modern technology brought revolutionary changes. Electronic confirmations became the norm. Platforms like DocuSign, Adobe Sign, and HelloSign allowed for fast, reliable, and trackable confirmations with just a few clicks. Blockchain technology further transformed the landscape. Ethereum, Hyperledger Fabric, and R3 Corda provided tamper-proof, transparent transactions, reducing the risk of fraud. Swift and other secure messaging systems standardized the confirmation process globally. Real-time confirmations became possible with platforms like Swift, DTCC, and CLS. Even more specialized platforms like GTSS, Mises, and FXall emerged, catering to specific needs in the financial markets, ensuring seamless and efficient confirmations. Today, the confirmation process in financial markets is a testament to how far we've come. From manual paperwork to advanced digital solutions, the journey of innovation continues, making financial transactions faster, safer, and more efficient. The future of finance is here, and it's only getting better.